Welcome back, guys. Jet Scott here as always, and today we're going to be working on Anna's old truck. And speaking of who, Anna, get in here. There she is. She thinks it's cold. She got a freaking coat on.
It's not cold. I just normally wear a jacket, and I didn't bring a jacket, so I'm wearing.
So on a 115-degree day, you're going to wear a jacket.
You've seen me do it.
It's kind of weird, actually. So we are getting rid of Anna's super cool guy Mopar Performance stuff on her truck, mainly because one of our good friends has always dreamt of owning a set, and Anna doesn't give a darn toot about Mopar Performance or any of that kind of stuff. Valve covers or just valve covers to her.
Yeah, pretty much.
Except it only took 7 months for her to decide she didn't want any of the ones I had, and like none of the ones on the internet. Between her and Rob, they were both the two most indecisive people I know. It was a pain in the butt, but they finally decided on stuff. Rob has got Anna the really nice Velcro, super thick, cool guy valve cover gaskets. Anna, pull your air cleaner out and tell me what you think of it. Look at that.
I like this thingy.
The filter?
Yeah.
But you don't like the lid.
There's nothing wrong with the lid.
You just noticed the filter first.
Because it's red. The one I have is white.
It's black.
Is it black?
Remember I made you a custom one?
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
See how much she cares. Pays attention to things I do for her. So you like the air cleaner lid?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, set that down or throw it like a frisbee. It doesn't. Why would you? We're gonna. That's where the valve covers are.
Oh.
You don't want to set it on there. Jeez.
So rude.
Okay. What's in the white box?
They're valve covers.
Woo!
That match the air cleaner.
Pretty much. So actually what's interesting about these is they're in a white box, and you would think these are probably made in China. Actually, these are made by Anson, still in business, right here in the USA. These are die-cast aluminum, and they're actually pretty freaking sweet. I inspected them. I have high standards. These are pretty dang nice. For, I don't remember how much these things cost, but they come with all the little grommets. They come with the decals. They're pretty sweet valve covers. For, I think it's like 180 bucks, I think, on eBay or something like that. Those are pretty nice valve covers. So, Anna, go put stuff on your truck.
Okay.
Because I got to leave for Indy like next week, and I've got to have all this stuff to take to Rob for trading material.
I know.
So get to work. Go to work.
Yeah, I'm gonna need help with that.
Alright, so this might be kind of comical. Anna has got to learn how to start her truck on her own. It's been sitting for a minute, but she's got a mostly clean parking lot. And if she hits anything, it'll probably be the dozer, which I'm not terribly concerned about because she's not going to hurt that thing. Unless she finds a way to hurt my duster. That might suck. Go ahead, Anna. And don't mind the Dana 60 just chilling in the back of her truck. Belongs to a friend of mine. Let's see if she remembers how to do this. Oh, wrong button. Start it. Give it 2 pumps. Look at that. Look at that. She can start her truck. She can start her truck. It's amazing. Okay, now she's got to let it warm up. You did good. Now you just got to let it warm up. The choke is a little hard on that thing. Give her, just kind of feed her just a little bit. Yeah. This is the last time we will see this setup on this engine. It's about to be ripped off. So that way Rob can have it for Stella. She's actually driving. I'm kind of terrified. Come on. You're in a hole. Come on. The truck's also not fully warmed up. Remember, don't go into Gary's yard, you'll piss him off. You gotta turn hard left. But you can also do that while you're in dry, and down low, and it'll make it easier. Or do you want me to do it?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, you're on your own. She said she wanted to do it herself. Oh God, she's gonna run right into that camper. Sorry, Gary. Who would have ever thought I'd have a driving school? And she creams right into the garage. Nope. We're good. And see, now here comes the part where she wanted to drive out. She somehow got to get turned around to get in front of the garage. I know, I'm a complete a-hole. But she likes me. And I don't know why. I don't know where she's going now. Okay, I'm gonna go help her. I am not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of impressed. I kind of wish I would have recorded that whole thing.
That was very nerve-wracking.
You did pretty good around Dad's pickup, and
I was very scared.
yeah, because he would probably ripped your head off.
Probably.
And then I would
felt like it was like so close.
You had a lot of space. You did pretty dang good. I mean, you went whoop, and then you kind of went whoop, and then you went whoop. You could make that very flush very easily. So now I'm actually kind of glad you parked where you did. Instead of pulling into the garage because it was a wet spot, we're on dry ground. And I'm in my tennis shoes today for some odd reason. I gotta find, I hate this. It's so silly. Okay, so now the engine's nice and hot. That's not too bad. We just need to take 10 bolts off, valve covers come off, and the wing nut. And the air cleaner comes off. Pretty simple.
Okay.
Get to work. Oh, and the water mostly dried up there. Okay. Cool. That good old brawler carburetor doing its job. Alright, Anna. Enough with cleaning your nails.
I just literally told you.
They're gonna get worse. Alright. So, you're gonna pick that valve cover up, and you're gonna slide it out the front. No grumpy sighing. You can do it. You can do it. Oh yeah. Wow, that's clean. That is really clean on the inside. Made in California. Genuine Mopar Fence. Okay. So, let's put that on the trash can. Get the other one off now. Alright, and we put this on the radiator in case it's warm.
Oh yeah. Probably a good idea.
See, I care, people. I'm not a complete dick. Yeah, them wires are a pain in the butt.
Something's stuck over here.
Hit the wires. Okay. Anna's got gaskets. We got the gasket surface cleaned off on the heads. I've got the new valve covers. What side are you gonna start with?
We should start with the harder side.
Okay.
That way we can bitch and moan and then get easy side later.
That's kind of what I always do. All right, put that cover on there.
This side up?
Well, yeah. Flat side towards the head, because it should be a machine surface, but it's really not. And now the sucky part. You want to hold up on them wires while I film and do all this crapola. There we go. Look at that. It's like we didn't even change the valve covers. And we just got to get those lined up. Okay. And let's just go ahead and give me this gasket. Oh yeah. These are nicer gaskets than what was on here. The gaskets on here look fancy, but they don't seal up for crap. I know, they're on my dart. There you go, hold that. I don't have my valve cover installing assistant on this side.
You don't.
Okay.
But that was the easier side, so you shouldn't need.
That actually looks pretty good. All right, let's put the bolts in. We'll get the air cleaner on, and we'll be good to go. So earlier, Anna was super proud of herself for getting the one valve cover off before I did, even though she started way sooner than I did, and I helped her take some out. And my valve cover's on.
Okay.
You having trouble over there, Pokey?
That little nut is being a bitch, and it won't go in.
Are you having trouble getting your nuts in?
That specific nut. The rest of them are good.
Are gay?
Good.
Oh, good. Well, it appears that it's in there crooked. So let me just give you a little hand here. Alrighty, Anna. Base. We did find a breather for this, and I did hook up the PCV. This go around. There you go. You're gonna want this air filter. It filters air.
Does it? Does it really?
Well, it's supposed to. And for your prettiness. Dun da da. Wow, that stud is huge. We're gonna have to shorten that stud up.
Where's the
Wingy nut?
Yeah.
We gotta shorten that stud. We're not gonna leave it that long.
Why not?
Because we're cart.
It'll clear the.
Yeah, I know it'll clear, but it still looks goofy.
Okay.
We're gonna cut that stud.
Okay.
You know what? Actually, never mind. Just go ahead and put. That means taking the stud out.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and put
That's
that
what I
on.
thought. That's what I thought.
Yeah, just go ahead and put it on. It's just gonna take a friggin' day to put the wing nut on. Alright, here's a brief word from our sponsors. We'll be back.
Back when all of our stuff ran and drove, presented by Scott's Speed Shop. Oh, Hannah, you did a good job. Well, you look just as good as you did with 20 years ago when you started putting that wing nut on there. Oh, you did a good job.
It didn't take that long. But that does look pretty nice, you know. I mean, as long as you got those lines on there straight, yeah, you did. Yeah, that's important. And they got to go this way. If you put the lines this way, that would have just been horrendously wrong. But you know, not bad for your first valve cover, air cleaner. I mean, it's stupid easy stuff, but you got it done. Yeah. And Rob is happy now.
Yeah.
So guess what you get?
Happy.
Guess what you get to do now?
What?
Clean his parts.
Oh.
That didn't sound right. Oh man. Take your phone, Anna. Alrighty, so we're gonna clean all that stuff up for you, Rob. We're gonna get it packed up, and it'll be ready to go to Indy for you. Alrighty, no, sit. Go back down flat. That's hilarious.
No.
Go back. That's freaking funny.
That's not funny.
That's funny. So, we want to thank you guys for checking this video out. We got all that stuff for you, Rob. By the way, I will be at the Indy Swap Meet, as I am. Would you get off me? As I am every year. Sorry, I'm not a touchy-feely guy. Hate me. I don't care. But I'll be at Indy. So if you happen to come to the Indy Swap Meet, I think it's like March 3rd, 4th, 5th, something like that. You can look it up. Feel free to stop by the booth. Say hi. Dad and I will be there. And other famous cool people like Rob from Jigs. Of course, he'll be there picking up the valve covers that Anna is currently wiping down. So, thank you for checking it out, guys. We'll see you in the next one. As always, take care. Bye-bye. Anna, that's your cue.
Bye.
You've heard us 1,000 times. It is bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Better. Now we can end it.